This then is the guidance for question 5b, the last question of the 2014 history mock, a 16-mark question. So that's going to be the most developed of all of the questions that you've answered thus far, and it's going to require 4 PEA paragraphs. It's going to require ideally a hierarchy from the most to the least important, and if possible you link those together. We plan to get the highest mark, therefore we read the question twice and we underline and identify the command words that drive the question, and we're constantly thinking in terms of analysis. How can I write the analysis to complement my evidence and my point, which means the marker is instinctively looking to give me marks in the highest band. Why was Hitler able to gain complete power in Germany, governing Germany in the years 33 to 34? Why? So multiple reasons. 16 mark, we need 4 of them. Complete power in governing Germany in the years 1933 to 34. It's got to be relevant to those dates. Any evidence that falls before or after those dates is not applicable. So multiple, 4 reasons why he was able to come to power, from the most important to the least important. Our analytical statement, and this explains why he was able to gain complete power, because. And everything after the word because at the end of your paragraph will be analysis and will be the highest level. You may use, you don't have to use, but you may use. Please only look at the bullet points if you instinctively do not know what to write about. Please also be aware they only provide you 2 reasons, you need to provide 4. You must include reasons of your own. If you are highlighting this response, you cannot answer that question, you cannot progress beyond the word must without highlighting it. If you don't, there is a ceiling on how far you can progress, however well you write your answers. So then, moving through. Level 1, simple or generalized comments. Well, we looked at what simple means from earlier responses to earlier questions. Simple facts that you can remember. Remembering is the lowest order of thinking. So, for example, we have the Communist Party was banned or Hitler declared himself Führer. No explanation, no evidence, and no analysis on how it enabled him to have complete power in Germany. Simple remembering, up to 4 marks. Level 2, points with some evidence. So, for example, you say what the Reichstag fire is and you explain what the Reichstag fire was. Okay? Writing communicates ideas on a limited range of historical terminology, showing some skill of selection and organization. Peony, up to 8 marks. Moving on. Level 3, 9 to 12 marks, shows an understanding of the focus. So we are writing point, evidence, analysis. Candidate identifies some of the key factors which explain why Hitler gains power and explains them. PEA, up to 12 marks. Select the appropriate information, describe what happens, answer the question. And this explains how it gave him power. Level, however, level 4, the answer has sustained focus on the question. Every paragraph answers the question clearly. It offers analysis supported by precisely selected and accurate material. Okay, please note, for level 3, you can only score 10 marks if you don't go beyond the prompts provided at the start. And again, you can't do the same, can't access level 4 unless you go beyond the bullet points prompted at the start. But it's a 16-mark question, it requires 4 points, you know that from the start. These limitations should not apply to you.